it just me, or is it that new bags keep dropping every day? I've even done a few videos on why buy or why not buy some of these bags. But it's just so many bags coming at us, and it's getting out of hand. Maybe even a little overwhelming. In this video, I will reveal my 2024 wish list and talk about why some bags just didn't make the cut. Welcome to the Handbag Heaven. Are you ready to see my 2024 handbag wish list? I have created a list of must-haves that I can't wait to add to my collection. The items on my list have been carefully selected using my luxury handbag collection secrets that I shared with you guys in my latest video. Some bags just didn't make the cut, and I'm going to talk about why. If you watch my luxury handbag secrets video, you know that I don't just have one, but I have 3 lists: a like list, wish list, and buy list. With my birthday around the corner, I am ready to start shopping. So let's get started. My like list has a total of 16 items on it. I'm just going to highlight a few of the new items from this list. Like this LV Rami from the Delicious collection. I discussed this in a previous video, but once the collection dropped and I saw the price, I took this right off my buy list. I mean, it just seems a little too expensive for what it is. At least with the Victorine wallet, you can convert it to like a mini crossbody bag. Now, I do like the colorway, but I feel like I can use my money on something more versatile. As a matter of fact, I did find another piece that I will reveal later in the video, so make sure you keep watching to the end. Next is the Balenciaga Rodeo bag. Now, I can't believe this bag made my list because I am just not a fan of the brand Balenciaga. I was never attracted to any of their bags, but this year, I feel like design-wise, they have really checked all of my boxes. The same goes for their new Bel Air tote. I think this bag hasn't even released yet, but I've been seeing pictures all on social media, and I saw this bag on the runway, and I absolutely love this design. I mean, I may even like it more than I like the Birkin design. I still have a problem with the brand's ethical or unethical, in my opinion, actions. So no matter how much I love the designs, I'm not sure if these bags will actually make it to my buy list. Next is the Bottega Veneta Andiamo clutch. This is another brand that I can't believe made my list this year. I don't have a problem with the brand itself. I'm just not a big fan of the woven leather handbag. Now, this elongated silhouette with this woven bag, I think that changed everything for me. Do I love it enough to drop $2,650? You'll just have to wait and see. Check out my video on the best Amazon dupes where I talk about my experience attempting to dupe this bag. Okay, the next bag on the list is fairly new. It is the Hermes Archon bag. I like the new 2024 color, which is a teal. I'm still waiting to look at this bag in person. I want to try it on because I really want this bag to fit me crossbody, similar to the GM size Evelyn bag. And when I look at that strap, I don't know if it's going to give me what I want. So I'm, waiting to go into the store to try this bag on. The next bag is the LV East West Pochette Matisse. Now, I talked about this bag in my video, my Why Buy video, and I added it to my like list in that video, but I think that's where it's going to stay. Why? Because the price. I'm not overpaying for canvas anymore. I'm just not there. And look, we're not going to even discuss quality, but can someone please tell me why this smaller bag is more than the full size bag. The only difference that I can see is that the bag is smaller and they added a chain strap. So if you compare the canvas and the larger size and the smaller size, there's a significant difference. Like if you do apples to apples, if you're comparing the canvas version, it's a $340 difference. If you're comparing the leather version, it's a $140 difference. So wouldn't the difference be the same if it was just to cover the chain strap? Like, I don't get it. This is my like list so far, but keep in mind this list can change at any time since these new bags keep dropping. Next, we're going to take a quick look at my wish list. I mentioned some of these bags in my previous video on Louis Vuitton limited rare bags. Now, my wish list only has about 5 items on it, and the first item on the list is a Birkin 30. I do keep going back and forth between the Birkin 30 and the 25, and I have not figured out which size will be best for me yet, but I will when that time comes. Also on my wish list is the Kelly Cut. Now, this bag continues to be taken on and off the list. I recently added it back on the list. I think it's best value because it has been retaining its value for years, so it's back on the list. Next on the list is the beautiful Chanel heart bag. This has been on my list since forever, and I really wish that I was able to purchase this bag when it was first released because the price of the bag has skyrocketed, particularly for this color, and this is the exact color that I would like in this bag. Next on the list is the Hermes cargo bag, and this is the men's version of the bag, and I chose that style because I think this is something that both my husband and I could wear. So my husband's not really into bags, he likes backpacks, but I think he would like this bag because of all the pockets. He has this thing for pockets, so I think we both would enjoy owning this bag, but that price is pretty expensive. And last on the list is the LV Gigantic that I absolutely love. Now, the price for this has skyrocketed as well, so it's just probably going to sit on the list forever. Next, let's talk about the buy list. This is the list that I'm ready to get started on. So first on the list is going to be the Hermes H Clutch. And I do want this pre-love. I do have big plans for this bag in this particular color. As you can see on my mood board, I do have a particular look that I'm going for. So I created some designs of my own that I am so excited to be releasing soon, but when it comes to this clutch, it styles so well with those designs. So this clutch will be my #1 priority on my buy list. Next on the list is going to be a East-West Chanel bag. Now with this, I have been looking for a peachy color bag because I don't have one in my collection. So I was thinking that if I'm going to get a peachy color bag, I think I want to get a Chanel bag. I really like the way Chanel does some of these lighter colors. So I'm looking to get a Chanel bag. I'm hoping to get a vintage one or, one on the pre-love market. But if not, they do have a walk that could fit the bid. But I'm not sure because that price, I'm not even looking forward to purchasing anything new from Chanel. So one of the gaps in my collection is I don't have any bags that really have that buckle detail on the front of it. So this boy bag could fit that gap. And I really love the bright orange color of this bag. So I have been looking for something like this in this color for my collection. Now I did do some styling, some initial styling with a couple of pieces that I currently have, and I think I really want to make a move on this, particularly for fall. I think these colors would be great for fall. Now, I did find a more affordable bag that has a buckle and that is also cargo. It's by the brand Free People, so it's more of a contemporary brand. I don't know if the quality is going to be to my liking on this particular bag, but I'm willing to test it out and see because it would be a great addition to my collection and easily styled with the looks that I have on my mood board here. I absolutely love the color. It's like that fiery red color that's on trend for 2024. The next bag that's on my buy list is the Celine. It's like the mini Triumph bag and it is so gorgeous, the color. And I've been wanting something in that like green pistachio looking color, and which is the color of the season. I do not have this color currently in my collection, so this would be a great addition. I have already started styling it. Here's my mood board of how I would like to style it with some polka dots. So I think the color is called Aloe Wash, but the color of the bag on Celine is actually like almond green, I think is what it's called. So I really need to see this bag in person to make sure that it's the right color, because I know sometimes online it looks different. When looking at the Celine bag, I also took a look at their SLGs. I was originally going to get this LV Rami wallet in that pistachio color, but I think the Celine wallet would be a better choice. So I think I'm going to go that route because, as we know, with the LV wallet, it is canvas and the Celine wallet is actually calfskin leather. And the Celine wallet, which comes in leather, is less than the LV wallet that comes in canvas. Next on my buy list is, wait a minute, how did this get on here? Yeah, so I've been taking this off, putting this on, taking this off, but yeah, here we go with the Bottega Veneta Andiamo long clutch. I just can't get over this bag, y'all. I wouldn't be surprised if I actually purchased this bag. I have been styling it and I found the perfect shoes to go with it, and it will look so great with my safari looks. But I actually found another bag that is like a really good dupe and it's very inexpensive compared to the Bottega bag. But this, I'm willing to maybe try this out to see what the quality is like, because it's supposed to be 100% leather. And I absolutely love the blue color. I think it will look great with like ice blue and a couple of other blues that have been released for, you know, colors of the season. And then they also have a brown color, so I could try that out as well. The next item on my buy list is the highly sought after Coach bag. Now this is a little denim bag, and this bag is not only stylish, but it's really practical. I missed out on this when it released back in March, so I am hoping to get it when it comes back in stock. It says that it's going to be back in stock in June or July, so that's a long time. But I've already styled it. Here's my board, and I can't wait to wear it with yellow and then also denim on denim. Last but not least, on my buy list is the Dior wallet. But not just any wallet. I specifically want this sand color. I do have my beige vintage maxi flat bag, but I want something smaller that I can just grab and go. Now, I have styled this with many different colors like lilac. I'm loving this with all of my khaki looks. I have a ton of khaki looks that I will be wearing this spring and summer. That is my 2024 handbag list. A lot of the items on the list fill in the gaps that I identified in a previous video, which is I needed that dark cherry red, some pistachio, peach, I wanted the elongated silhouette, and I wanted some buckles. Now, your style and your list may be very different from mine. Like I always say, my style is personal and purse anal. So let me know in the comments which designer bag is on the top of your wish list for 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion and inspiration. Also, follow me on Instagram for more handbags, fashion, and beauty. See you next time. Thanks for watching.